Welcome to English Simple Learn. At the coffee shop. Imagine you're at your favorite coffee shop, ordering a delicious latte. In this dialogue, we'll learn how to place an order, ask questions, and pay for your coffee. Hi, can I have a latte, please?
Sure. Small, medium, or large.
Medium, please.
Would you like any sugar?
No, thank you.
Okay. Anything else?
Yes, a blueberry muffin, please.
Great choice. That will be $5.50.
Here you go. Do you take cards?
Yes, we do. Insert your card here, please.
Done. Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy your coffee and muffin.
I will. Have a nice day. At the bus stop. Ever needed to ask for directions at a bus stop? In this dialogue, we'll practice simple phrases to ask and understand directions, perfect for navigating a new city. Excuse me, does this bus go to the city center?
Yes, it does.
How often does it come?
Every 15 minutes.
Oh, great. Do I need exact change for the ticket?
Yes, you do. The driver doesn't give change.
How much is it?
It's $2.
Perfect, I have that. Do you know the next stop?
Yes, it's Main Street.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good trip.
At the supermarket. Let's go grocery shopping. In this scene, you'll learn how to ask for items, find what you need, and interact with staff at a supermarket. Excuse me. Where can I find the bread?
It's in aisle 5.
Thank you. Do you have gluten-free bread?
Yes, we do. It's on the top shelf in aisle 5.
Great. And where are the eggs?
The eggs are in aisle 2, near the milk.
Thank you so much. Do you sell almond milk?
Yes, we do. It's right next to the regular milk.
Perfect. One more question. Where are the cookies?
The cookies are in aisle 7.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
At the doctor's office. Not feeling well? In this story, we'll explore how to describe your symptoms and communicate with a doctor in English. A must-know for any visit to the clinic. Good morning, doctor.
Good morning, Anna. How can I help you?
I have a headache and a sore throat.
Do you have a fever?
No, I don't think so.
Let me check your temperature.
Okay.
Your temperature is normal. Do you feel tired?
Yes, a little.
Any pain when you swallow?
Yes, it hurts a bit.
I'll prescribe some medicine for you.
Thank you, doctor. Ordering food. Time for a meal. In this dialogue, we'll practice ordering food at a restaurant, choosing drinks, and paying the bill. Perfect for dining out. Hi, are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like a burger, please.
Would you like cheese on that?
Yes, please.
With fries?
Yes, and a soda, please.
What kind of soda?
A cola, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
That will be $10.50.
Here's my card.
Thank you. Your food will be ready soon. At the library. Do you love books? In this story, we'll visit the library, borrow a book, and learn how to ask important questions about the services offered.
Hi, can I borrow this book?
Sure. Do you have a library card?
Yes, here it is.
Great. Let me scan it for you.
Thanks. When is the return date?
It's in 2 weeks.
Can I renew it online?
Yes, you can. Just log into your account.
Perfect. Do you have Wi-Fi here?
Yes, the password is on the desk.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Happy reading. Buying a ticket. Planning a trip? In this dialogue, we'll practice buying a ticket, asking about options, and finding the right platform. Let's get ready to travel. Hi, I'd like a ticket to New York.
One way or round trip?
One way, please.
Do you want an express or regular ticket?
What's the difference?
Express is faster, but it costs more.
I'll take the express ticket.
That's $25.
Here's my card.
Thank you. Your train leaves at 2:30.
Where's the platform?
It's platform 3.
Thanks a lot.
At the gym. Want to stay fit? In this scene, we'll learn how to ask for help at the gym, use workout machines, and get tips from a trainer. Great for beginners.
Hi, can you help me with this machine?
Of course. What do you want to work on?
My arms.
Okay, try this setting.
Is this too heavy?
No, it's a good start.
How many reps should I do?
Do 12 reps, then rest for 30 seconds.
Got it. Is my form okay?
Yes, but keep your back straight.
Like this?
Perfect. Keep going.
At the park. Let's enjoy a sunny day at the park. This dialogue will show you how to start a friendly conversation and talk about your surroundings in English. Hi, is this seat taken?
No, you can sit here.
Thank you. It's a nice day, isn't it?
Yes, it's beautiful. Do you come here often?
Not really, but I love this park.
Me too. It's so peaceful.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, just a 10-minute walk. What about you?
I live a bit farther, but I like walking here.
That's great. Walking is good exercise.
Shopping for clothes. Need to update your wardrobe? In this story, we'll explore how to shop for clothes, find the right size, and ask for assistance in a store. Excuse me. Do you have the shirt in a smaller size?
Let me check. Yes, we do.
Great. Can I try it on?
Sure. The fitting room is over there.
Thank you. Do you have it in other colors?
Yes, we have black, blue, and red.
I'll try the black one.
No problem. How does it fit?
It's perfect. I'll take it.
Great choice. That's $25.
Here's my card.